In a world where versatility meets raw power, there's one full-size van that refuses to bow down to trends or fads. The 2025 GMC SAVANA 3500 is here, and it's more than just a vehicle. It's a workhorse, a mobile office, and a trusted companion for those who demand strength and reliability in every mile. Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where today we take you deep into the heart of GMC's legendary cargo king, now sharper, stronger, and more capable than ever before. From the moment you see it, the SAVANA 3500 commands attention with its bold, no-nonsense stance. This isn't about flashy curves or unnecessary styling tricks, and it's a machine designed with purpose. The front end still carries GMC's signature grille, now with a refined metallic finish and LED headlights that improve visibility while giving the van a modern edge. Step inside, and you'll immediately feel the SAVANA's blend of durability and comfort. The 2025 model boasts upgraded seating with high-density foam for long-haul comfort, a redesigned dashboard with a 10-inch infotainment system, and full smartphone integration. But what truly sets the SAVANA 3500 apart is its unmatched practicality. Whether you're hauling tools, transporting goods, or converting it into a custom camper, its cavernous interior space adapts to any need. And with up to 283 cubic feet of cargo capacity, there's nothing too big to carry. Under the hood, GMC offers two powerhouse options: a 6.6-liter V8, delivering 401 horsepower and massive torque for heavy loads, and a 2.8-liter turbo diesel for those who prioritize efficiency without sacrificing strength. Both engines are paired with a smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, giving you the right mix of performance and fuel economy. The 2025 SAVANA 3500 also steps up in safety with available forward collision alert, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear park assist, making maneuvering this big van easier and safer than ever before. The suspension has been tuned for stability even under maximum payload, ensuring that whether you're navigating city streets or long highways, the ride stays controlled and confident. This van isn't just about numbers, it's about dependability. Fleet owners and small businesses know the SAVANA's reputation for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles with proper care, and the 2025 model only reinforces that legacy. It's not trying to be a flashy tech showpiece. Instead, it focuses on what really matters: strength, adaptability, and the power to keep your business or lifestyle moving forward. The GMC SAVANA 3500 is more than just transportation. It's a partner you can count on. So if you're looking for a van that works as hard as you do, this is it. Here at Honest Auto Wheels, we call that true automotive honesty. A vehicle that delivers exactly what it promises, mile after mile, year after year.